Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NOVN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And the first thing I'm going to do is some house cleaning, just get rid of these lines. These lines have served their purpose for now, but they're not really relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible going forward. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going into the day, that level right there at 40 cents was considered the level of support. But after the price broke below it, then you can see this rule played out perfectly. The price did try to bounce back upwards, but surprise, surprise, you can see it got rejected right there at 40 cents. So I'm not saying that 40 cents can never, ever be broken again. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price did get rejected right there, and that if there is going to be any sort of, attempted movement and attempted, building of momentum back up above 50 cents, then yeah, it really all starts with that 40-cent mark, and the bulls proving themselves by being able to get back above it and then stay above it. As far as some of the new levels of support right now, a level that I would definitely consider very, very important going forward is right here at the 32-cent mark. Why is 32 cents important? Well, I'm not saying this will occur, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down to 32 and then just continue on down, at that point, all of a sudden, you now have the price beginning to go back to where it was before the big move even started. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas on the flip side, the price comes down there, behaves in that manner, and then begins to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this scenario? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have these lows down there, and if you envision each of those as stairs, well, at least at that point, you'd still have general overall progress being made in the upwards direction. So keep a close eye on that level going forward. Definitely very important from the support side of things. But yeah, today was a disappointing day, but the price does still have the opportunity to chip away and build a higher base. So let's see if they can get that job done or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.